Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day and I hope you have banked very good profit. Today was amazing volatility, especially in the London morning session, and most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyze and help them to squeeze amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD chart, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, we, as mentioned in my yesterday analysis, if you haven't seen it, video link is given in the video description. After this rejection, we had this beautiful breakout, and even you can see candle inside candle pattern. That was beautiful. We have taken all this long trade here this morning, an amazing profit, and we close all the position. As you can see here, price nicely hit to the support resistance level. We'll see tomorrow if the price is going to reverse, then possibility of short. Otherwise, if the price is going to continue, then our target would be the previous high. First target would be this level. We'll see tomorrow. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader, and we'll see here how the market is going to respect this level tomorrow. We'll let you know. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entry. That was a pretty straightforward. We had a long trade here whole day, and let me share with you guys. If you look at the this is the analysis I did at the you can see here, this is the analysis as mentioned, as we had this long trade yesterday, and after that banking some profit. I explained to my trader, look for another pullback at this level, or if the price gonna break this level, then keep taking it because momentum is bullish. And in 4 hour we have this rejection, so that was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, price broken, and after the breakout, price nicely developed another pullback. So we had such an amazing trade, and I also updated this analysis in the morning in London morning session. As you can see here, so guys, keep taking it once we have this pullback, this profit, and after that I explained my trade, look for another pullback. As you can see here, after banking this profit based on the previous analysis, and this is another analysis, look for another pullback, and just keep taking a pullback. We can see here one pullback, second pullback, and third pullback. As soon as the price hit to the major support resistance level, that's what explained my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see here we had such an amazing trade on Euro USD. We also had an amazing trade on gold, on pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar in 4-hour chart, as you can see here, the price nicely respected here. That's what we explained to my trader. Look here, if the price is going to respect, then long here. If the price going to break, then short trade here. So you can see here, price nicely respected, and we have taken all this pullback long here. And we also had some counter short trade here. Once the price hit to the mid, you can see here, price nicely hit to this level and explained possibility of reversal. So we also had to take a counter short trade again. Tomorrow we'll see how the market is going to react. If the market is going to break this level, then possibility of reversal, and if the market break and retest, then possibility of long here. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let me share with you guys how I analyze this level and intraday and help my traders to squeeze very good pips. And if you look at the intraday, I had this analysis last night. We had this beautiful long trade here after banking some profit. As explained to my trader, keep taking a pullback here. As long as the price stay above this trend support line, just keep taking it. We have mentioned all this pullback this morning. As you can see here, we had a beautiful pullback. Keep taking it until the price hit this level. Once the price hit, then we explained, then look for counter short trade here at this level, which I did this analysis. As you can see here, after banking some profit this morning, we have this counter short trade here, because when the price reached this level, explained my trader, just keep taking a short trade here. And even if the price you can see a false breakout, we have another beautiful counter short trade here, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards we were expecting a short trade here, and as you can see here, at the New York session, we also had this beautiful breakout. After the breakout, pullback short trade here, bank beautiful pips. After that, as you can see here, price develop a consolidation. That's what I explained to my trader. Let's see in the London morning session. So we can see here we had such an amazing trade, bank amazing beautiful profit. Dollar CAD, we had a beautiful trade here from yesterday. We had this short trade here. We have taken all this pullback. So this morning we also had a short trade here, and our target was this level, which is price nicely hit. We also had a counter long trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday. That was a pretty straightforward, guys. We had a beautiful short trade here. As you can see here from the New York session, for the Asian session, I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. You can see here, beautiful, another pullback, second pullback, third pullback, beautiful short trade here. Even London morning, we have another beautiful pullback. Once we bank some profit and price hit to the major support level, price develop another pattern. It says, guys, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken. But as I said to you guys, very strong bearish momentum, safest trade after the breakout pullback. As you can see here, once the price develop pullback, announced through live audio commentary, as soon as the price hit to the previous high and resistance level, bank some beautiful pips and look for another pullback. And as we did, as you can see here, once we bank some profit, look for another pullback at this level. As you can see here, price nicely develop another pullback, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous high and at this level in 4 hour, we bank another beautiful pips. You can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze entries and exit in intraday system, and how we bank profit every single day. So most important part of it, which is I always mention to you guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time. That's the key important thing. This is the analysis review, but the interesting part, you should watch those analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other professional trader. So even if you are struggling in this forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill with the live market, with the through live audio commentary, and with the through live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train and how I help my traders to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.